Hey, welcome back to the show. We are down here in South Wichita with Nate from Wichita Home Works. And Nate, tell us a little bit about this project that you're working on here.
Yeah, so we've got a smaller custom home going in here. This is going to be a slab on grade home, so it doesn't have a crawl space or a basement. Right now you can see we've got footings poured and the guys are working on forming up that slab. And then we'll be backfilling with some sand, compacting it, and then we'll get that slab poured tomorrow.
Awesome. So tell me a little bit more about this house. It's a little bit of a smaller structure, kind of a unique concept as well.
Yeah, so this is going to be a home for the church that's right behind us here. And so nothing, super fancy with it, but just looking for a nice size home that utilizes the space in between.
What kind of scale can you guys work with?
Yeah, so we've been on some of our bigger projects in past episodes. We've done projects up to 8,500 square foot house that was also a slab on grade. So this one's sitting at about 1,200 square foot. Big or small, we still want to keep the same quality throughout, and it's important to us to treat each one the same no matter how big it is. So.
Yeah, and you're mentioning the slab on grade. What exactly does that mean?
Yeah, so the floor of the home will be a concrete slab. So in this situation, it doesn't have a basement below it, and it doesn't have a crawl space.
Okay.
And so it actually makes things a little bit simpler on the build side. They're a little bit cheaper per square foot of finished space, and they work out great for these. They are also referred to as a patio home.
Oh, interesting.
So,
okay. And like you said, probably maybe one of those more budget-friendly options.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the nice thing about them is there's no steps. So you've got a ranch-style home here, single floor. Everything's zero entry.
Wow.
And you don't have to worry about stairs or a front porch that sits up off of the surrounding ground.
And you got some stuff sticking up in the back here. How does all of this come together?
Yeah, so with a slab home, we have to put in all of the plumbing and the electrical utilities under the slab before it gets poured. So what you see sticking up is what we call the stub ups for your drain and your hot and cold water. So you've got blue and red. Obviously red's for hot, blue's for cold.
That I do know.
Yep. And around each of those we put some insulation. So when we pour that slab, it'll pour right up to it. But then afterwards we can come in, cut it off, and we have a little bit of movement on those.
Lastly, can you let people know where you're located and where they can get more info?
Yeah, definitely. They can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com. or give us a call at 316-303-4485.
Awesome, Nate, thank you so much, and excited to see us all come together. Well, more on Good Day Kansas right after the break.